my name is Leo and I just joined the team today as a product manager. When I arrived in the morning, my desk was waiting for me with candies and snacks and warm welcoming notes from the team, which was really nice. We got to know each other better and we even had lunch together. I met with the CTO and we reviewed the planned roadmap for new products and new features to be developed. So super exciting stuff and really excited to be part of this team. See you later.
Hi guys. Yesterday I was focused on correspondence from our community members and some potential contributors. I also continued to refine the workflow documents I've been putting together, and I coordinated tech support for our CRM so we can make sure we get the issues we're having resolved. Today I'm focused on helping onboard our newest team member, Leo. I will also be updating our community documents and finalizing the agenda for our meeting with our Swedish visitors early next week. See you next time.
Hey, good morning. Yesterday I worked on our autonomous boat project. I also interviewed a new developer and I've made a lot of progress working on our identity smart contract and cryptography around it. Today I'm going to be implementing a lot of that into the DAV CLI and into our smart contracts. Also today a lot of my focus goes to welcoming our new team member, Lior, who's joining the product team. You'll actually hear from him in this video, unless he gets camera shy.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday we had a bunch of great meetings to start off the day. We had meetings with our executive team, we had meetings with a new PR company, which we're going to be working with, which will be announced in the next week or two. And then also we had a good meeting with our partners, Blockchain AL, around marketing and sort of remarketing and paid advertising and things like that. So a lot of great meetings, which led to a lot of great action items. Did a lot of work around all of those things yesterday, sort of to support a lot of those meetings that we had. And then also worked on the executive summary of the white paper. Today my main focus has been doing some additional work towards that PR agency we're going to be bringing on. So a lot of good stuff happening there. I had a great call with one of our potential advisors, so that was very, very exciting. So more news to come on that soon. Also worked with our freelance journalist. We're sort of doing a backlog of content, so doing a lot of work around that. So just a lot of great things, working hard, and as usual, have a great day, everybody.
Hi everyone! Today is a new beautiful sunny day and I start my work. Yesterday I made design a new nice app Inspector Beauty and started interaction coding. Also I'll make DAV template for docs and a few variants new role champs for new DAV brand guide. Today I'll plan continue making interaction and animation for Inspector Beauty. After then I'll make a few variants new logo for DAV. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow!